It's important to keep your teeth clean and healthy while wearing braces. By spending the time now to care for your braces, you can avoid permanent stains called decalcification. Decalcification is caused by plaque, a colorless, sticky substance that can build up on your teeth and around your braces. If left on the teeth, it can cause swollen gums, bad breath, cavities, and white spots. You must brush and floss regularly to get this plaque off your teeth and from around your braces. So, how do you brush your teeth while wearing braces? Use a fluoride toothpaste and a soft, rounded bristle toothbrush that's in good condition. Because braces wear out brushes quickly, you will need to replace your brush as soon as you see signs of wear. Brush around all the parts of your braces, including the top, bottom, and front faces with circular motions. Don't forget the rest of your teeth and mouth. Brush your gums gently and thoroughly. If your gums swell or bleed, this is a sign you need to brush better, not less. After brushing, rinse your mouth completely to remove any loose particles. Inspect your braces to ensure they are clean, shiny, and you can see all the edges of the brackets clearly. At minimum, you must brush your teeth twice a day, but ideally you're brushing after every snack or meal. In addition to brushing, it's important to floss while wearing braces. You should floss every day. Before bed is a great time, so you don't feel rushed. It might be necessary to use a floss threader while wearing braces. This reusable tool allows you to get floss behind your arch wire easily. Thread the floss through the threader and pass it underneath the wire. Then, floss the contact between your teeth and under the gum line. With practice, this will become easier. In addition to brushing and flossing, there are some other tools that can help keep your teeth clean. The inner proximal brush can slip under your arch wire and assist in cleaning away plaque from around your braces. It's good to keep a travel toothbrush with you, so you can brush after every snack or meal, even while you are away from home. A prescription fluoride toothpaste or fluoride rinse, if prescribed by your orthodontist, could be used once a day as part of your cleaning routine. Some find a power toothbrush or water flosser helpful. These are designed to make brushing and flossing easier and more efficient. With braces and wires, there will be new nooks and crannies, so keep these tips and tools in mind while taking care of your teeth. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your orthodontic team.